All right guys, in this video, we're gonna show you two metal roof coating alternatives. So we've got a TPO over metal roof retrofit, and then we're gonna show you a metal over metal roof retrofit. Stick around, we'll show you how it's done. All right guys, my name's Aaron, we're here in our shop, and in today's video, we're gonna show you a couple of metal roof coating alternatives that I think you're gonna like and that you probably haven't heard of. When I run service calls, especially on buildings with metal roofs that are having leaks, one of the places that people always assume that we're gonna go with the repair process on the metal would be with a coating or some kind of sealant or some kind of metal roof paint. Because I don't know what it is about it, it just kind of seems like the natural step for people to think that a coating's gonna work. Well, we actually don't do coatings, we do retrofits. And I'm surprised to find that most people have never heard about the retrofit, and that's the point of this video. So in the first section of the video, I want to show you, like, this would be the mock-up of a metal roof that would be typical in our area. And people can understand a coating where you would paint a coating or a metal roof paint or some kind of sealant on that metal and try to seal it up, but they don't quite understand how you could install either a TPO or a PVC membrane over top of it. And this is our first alternative to a metal roof coating. So one of the things about a coating is when you do a coating on a metal roof, the idea is to build a membrane on the roof. And my theory of that is, let's not build a membrane on the roof by applying a bunch of different layers. Let's just install a membrane on the roof that's already been made. And that's what I've got on this mock-up here. So we've got a piece of PVC membrane already installed over top of some existing metal. Just to give you an idea of what's possible, we can recover existing metal roofs with the PVC or a TPO membrane and seal out all the leaks. That's the first alternative. All right guys, for the second metal roof coating alternative, we have a special piece of metal, and this is called the 238T standing seam. Now this metal has been designed and engineered to lay on top of or overlay existing metal roofs, and this is a fantastic way to permanently stop the leaks on a metal roof. Here's how it works. You've got your existing metal here, we've got a steel clip, the metal is gonna hook onto the clip, and we're gonna have a piece of metal, and it's gonna sit right on top of the existing metal roof. So we're gonna actually recover your metal roof, your existing leaky roof, with a brand new metal roof. You probably didn't even know that that was possible, but now you do. This is the second alternative, and it sits right on top of your existing purlins, and the punched holes in the clip get screwed down right into the existing purlins of the building. This metal over metal recover is a fantastic way for long-term protection on your building. This doesn't stop the leaks for short-term. This is a long-term way. All right guys, if either one of these alternatives to metal roof coatings have piqued your interest and you want to learn more, you can watch some of our videos on YouTube where we go to an in-depth how-to of how we install either a TPO or a PVC membrane over metal, or how we install a metal over another metal roof. You can check it out, or you can go to our website and learn more there. Guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.